Okay, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon. Let's we begin today's session. I guess I think ongoing chapter is all about technological environment. So the ongoing chapter is all about technological environment, and we have discussed up to now few things in this chapter. That is introduction, then we talk about technology leadership, then technology followership, advantages and disadvantages of technological leadership. Fine. And we have just completed this slide. That is how technology can give us technological advantages, or we can say competitive advantage. Because we have 2 consecutive lectures. તો આપણે એક લઈ લેવી પછી બીજામાં જાજો. હા તો you can leave it before 10 minutes. It's enough. નથી ખબર? Are you sure તમે ચાલી રહી છો? એવું છે ઓનલાઈન સ્ટુડન્ટ એવું થાય એમ થાય કે આપણે તો ભલે એટલું કામ કરીએ છીએ લોકોને ટાઈમ પાસ જેવું થાય હવે પછી જોઈ લઈએ. હા ઇટ્સ હા હા ફાઇન. એવું છે આપણે તો 1 કલાક 2 કલાક વાત કરી શકીએ પણ આ લોકોને કંટાળો આવે ને કારણ કે એ લોકો તો ખાલી સામે સ્લાઇડ જ દેખાય છે. આવી જવાય એકચ્યુઅલી. ફાઇન. And we have also discussed technology and competitive advantages. As our chapter is all about technology, especially technological environment, so we have to discuss also here one of the things, that is how technology can create competitive advantages. The purpose of technology is only that so purpose of any technology is only that to create competitive advantages. We have discussed this one, the information revolution. Fine, that we discussed in before one day in last lecture. No company can escape from the effects. Starting from small company to biggest company, each and every company has to develop technology as per their capabilities to be in the market. Drastic reduction in cost of obtaining, processing, transmitting the information are changing the ways to do business. See, nowadays there is lots of cost reduction in case of processing, especially we can say information. Earlier to get information was very difficult before digital era. Now majority of the things are available digitally, right? If I just talk about practical things, suppose you want to study balance sheet of few companies or profit and loss account of few companies. Before many years, there were no websites, official websites. At that time, you have to visit the register office of the company in that concerned cities. because only hard copy was available at that time. Now everything is digitally available. Information is readily available. You can access through the websites of the concerned company. So cost of information is very cheaper. Process of such information digitally is also cheaper. That's why now business dimensions are changing very rapidly. Especially artificial intelligence. It's a new concept. One of the era is going to end here. That is information technology. Right? It is almost on the verge of death. That is information technology era. Right now, it is going on. Within few years, there is another extension version of IT. That is known as artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence needs to be monitored. It's only done by IT.
Yeah, but that is extension version of IT. Extension version or modification of IT. It automatically calculates everything. So use of AI will be applicable to in each and every business, each and every sectors even. So this is just technology, simple technology. But whenever AI will come in practical, when it will be applicable to common people, common businessmen, right? It will really change of doing business. It's all about collecting information, calculating information, interpretation of information. Everything will be quite easy when AI will really come in market. Right? So this is the thing that how technological environment is changing over the period of time. Okay. So quickly, what kind of advantages we are enjoying? The information revolution is affecting competition in three vital ways. Means due to competition, as companies are adopting technology, so it is changing way of business in mainly three ways. Okay. So technology in the context of competition, it is changing dynamics, that is business dynamics in mainly three ways. Number one, it changes industry structure, and so doing after the rules of competition. As I just said, business, the structure of business are going to change. Actually, size of the business is going to become smaller rather than bigger. Due to technological upgradation, structure of industries are going to change. There is more automation, there is more machine learning. Engineering, especially IT, is emerging a lot by combining engineering and IT both. So a lot of structure internally is going to change in the business. So number one, sooner or later, each and every company has to adopt technology. So their particular structure is going to change. I don't think so. Our traditional hierarchical structure that we are discussing, line and staff and everything, it will be there. But work profile of each and everybody will be something different. It is all about traditional hierarchical structure versus modern hierarchical structure. If you see, role of production manager was very important because it comes with the file, highlight of file, report to CEO. But now, as such, there is no requirement of such function of only production manager or marketing, because now CEO, with the help of only one click, he can access many things. Even managers are available, but now their role is different rather than only reporting, because reporting is easily available in numerical form at any point of time. Are you getting my point? So this is what is happening in case of structure. Still, after many years, at least 2 decades, the organizational structure will be totally different, because controlling and reporting, like order and reporting, feedback will be totally in digital form. And that's why my point is the way business are changing, it's really unbelievable. Number 2, it creates competitive advantage by giving companies new ways to outperform their rivals. Rivals means competitors. Here, each and every company are trying the level best to beat their competitors. In 21st century, one thing, you can beat many people at a time. You can beat many competitors at a time, and that is information. Success of Amazon and success of Flipkart is purely based on data. More number of customers profile you have, you can access them, you can convince them to purchase from Amazon and Flipkart. Here my point is, that is new ways outperform. As soon as you search something from Google, that I just wanted to purchase a laptop, I purchase it from Chroma. But if you just search on laptop, Lenovo laptops, so immediately this data goes to the e-commerce platforms, Flipkart and Amazon. As soon as you log in Facebook and Insta, this data is given to Amazon. Amazon give it to Insta and Flipkart. So Amazon and Flipkart are paying too much for Google. Suppose I have searched washing machine, so this information will be given to the Amazon and Flipkart that Kunal is interested to purchase washing machine. So Google is earning, Amazon is earning.
Sir, Amazon નો જે સ્પીકર છે ને
Alexa.
આઈટી ડિપાર્ટમેન્ટને કન્ફર્મ કરેલું છે ઇલેક્શન કનેક્ટિવ મોડમાં હોય ને ત્યારે ઘરમાં જે વાત થતી
Facebook પાસે
It's everywhere.
feature on હશે તો અત્યારમાં રેકોર્ડ એક્ટિવિટીઝ દ્વારા Facebook ગમે તે અત્યારે તમારા મોબાઈલમાં
That's why I uninstall it.
my daddy એક ફોન સાઈડમાં જ રાખવા છે બેંક નું જે બધું હોય એ ફોનમાં સોશિયલ મીડિયા નામ રાખવાનું.
Because it's very dangerous application, what I have observed. When I was using Facebook application, it was suggesting that you have visited this restaurant and this hotel. Even I have never seen this hotel. I have never seen these restaurants. But as soon as we just pass from that hotels or restaurant, it captures. Yeah. My Google. Review apo, हाँ. You can be a local guide. Apart from this, the topic is going on. Fine, we are discussing something else. But my point is here, there is a blame on Google. That Google is also capturing your location, even your internet is off. हाँ default બંધ હોય પેલું. Not a good thing. Such a not a good thing. But this information is very valuable for Google. Google give it to some commercial companies. My point is here, to be very competitive, you need to have lots of information, and this information is very useful for some other competitors. Data science, data bank, or data warehouse. Technical word is data warehouse. Fine. Third, it seeds whole new businesses, often from within a company's existing operations. Yes, it seeds whole new businesses. As I just said, in digital business, as well as manufacturing business, they need information, right? Technology starting from manufacturing to getting customers, everything has been changed. Still, a lot will happen due to digital upgradation of technologies. So traditional businesses will face lots of difficulties. Even nowadays, retailers are using their WhatsApp group, right? They just take WhatsApp number of customers. As soon as new product comes, they click it, send it to the all customers. So this is also a new way of business. Even there are small retailers, but they have started using technology, right? Even there is small product available in the new retailers. Immediately just capture the pics, send the price. Small retailer, using small technology, simple technology, that is WhatsApp groups. Again, I'm saying it is all about information. Future of competition will be different, not like this. If I compare with before 10 years, 15 years, it was a competition between retailer to retailer. But due to digital presence of e-commerce companies, now there is fight between retailers and e-tailers. Retailers and e-tailers. Even these companies like Sony, BMW have just started selling their products through own websites. That I discussed. There was a claim on Samsung, right? I have discussed earlier that still legal fight is going on. A Retailer Association of India, e-commerce, and Samsung. Not only Samsung, but MI and everybody are giving those exclusive right to only maybe one instrument go to Amazon and one of the instrument only go to, what about retailers? They have exclusive right. That's illegal. Yes. So see, the way businesses are going to change. Are you getting, Lisa, Kishan?
Yes, sir.
Devans?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Naitik, are you getting?
Yes, sir.
તમારા સિનિયરમાં એક એ જે હું ક્યાંક ઇન બિટવીન ચેક કરું ને લાઈનમાં એક છોકરો છે ને એમ કે સર ઘણી વાર કે ઇલેક્ટ્રિસિટી એમ ટેસ્ટર લગાવે કરંટ આવે છે ક્યાં કરંટ નથી આવતો ઘણી વાર કરંટ ન આવે લાઈટ ગઈ હોય Fine. That's why I never insist students that on your camera because students know very well. Last 10 minutes they will be very conscious because sir is going to insist anytime that open your camera. Let me take your screenshot. So it's better to have digital strike at any time. Fine. But you are a student, I can understand you very well. I said I always think from your this side, not this side. You are kids. I have seen hundreds and thousands of students. So I know your psychology very well. What can no, I never bunk in my life. Never. Not a single. I didn't copy from anyone in my life. Even not assignments, projects, and even from answer sheets. Yes, my one of the friend was sitting behind me every 3 years. He used to sit behind me due to alphabetical orders. He was a millionaire, billionaire. There are 2 industrialist sons who were in my class. I don't want to hire because it's very India level company, not local company. And I've been kids my સાથે ભણતા. And one of the India level company છે India level just used to come once or twice in a semester. Means our system નો અમાર પહેલી હતી half yearly system. Kunal, you are very intelligent, very regular guy. Just keep all the notes with you. At the end of year, I will come. He used to Xerox copy, photocopy, and જ્યારે એનું મટીરિયલ આવું ત્યારે એકવાર મને એ કારમાં મને લઈ જાય ફરવા ઘરે મૂકવા આવે. આખા રાજકોટમાં એક જ કાર ની પાસે એવી આખા રાજકોટમાં એક કાર આપણે ખાલી દરવાજો ખોલીને બેસતા હોય બાકી કઈ ખબર ન પડે. એ જે મને I am talking about 2006-07. What they did, they studied in world's reputed MBA colleges because there are billionaire. And my father had no money. My father had fine. Quickly, use of technology in value chains. A company's value chain is a system of interdependent activities which are connected by linkages. For example, a costlier and more expensive raw material can reduce after-sales services cost. A company must resolve such trade-offs in accordance with the strategy to achieve competitive advantage. For example, a costlier product design and more expensive raw materials can be used to reduce after-sales services cost. There is a logic. Here, company has to think on this. If you keep highest quality of raw material, so it will reduce another cost, that is after-sales services. A medium company which believes in lower quality will have lower raw material cost, but on the other hand, it will have higher after-sales service cost. I hope as a commerce student you can understand this the logic. Why one is high and one is if one is high, other has to. It is up to the company. It is up to the company what kind of technology for manufacturing purpose you want to use. Like Hemore believes in 0% defect. 0% defect. High degree of qualitative material without any human intervention. So this is the philosophy of Hemore ice cream manufacturing. Right? Otherwise, what will happen? More number of complaints. We can say non-standard products. If you eat vanilla flavor today, And if you eat vanilla flavor after 2 months, if there is difference in color and taste, people will not purchase again because there is something different. I found 2 different variants of Parle-G. One is of darker color. No, same Parle-G, not gold. Not gold. Gold is again premium segment. I just captured the pics of both biscuits, send it to Parle. Parle accepted the yes. One of the plant is producing little bit darker biscuits. And another plant is producing lighter. Taste remains same. Yes. Finishing a problem. This will never create good image in the market. See, whatever the plant of Coca-Cola is, Pepsi is, right? Across the world, there is only one taste, one fragrance. Why? Because of technology. Am I right or wrong? This is what my point is, value chain. How you add value chain. How you add something new thing that is known as value chain. Right? Are you enjoying what is going on? Okay. Huh? Just wait. I can finish within 5 minutes.
Come on, 5 minutes.
It will take 5 to 10 minutes to read there, not that much. You are supposed to go to, in B-wing, you can use lift of boys and girls separately, right? So, and I think boys lift is in A-wing, so you have to travel to B-wing in 5th floor. As soon as you enter, right side, second cabin is of the vessel. Yeah. Fine. But Akanksha, you cannot travel with boys lift. Fine. Quickly. You discuss? Oh, same. Continue with that. Linkages also require activities to be coordinated. On-time delivery requires that operations. Outbound logistics, services activities, installation, for example, should be function smoothly together. Thing is that right now, majority of the companies have adopted digital technology for its manufacturing purpose. Simple. Like you have a manufacturing unit. You are supposed to deal with first raw material go downs. So there is digital records of stocks. When it is going to plant for manufacturing purpose, what is the level of stock after the getting delivery? How much semi-finished goods happen, finished goods happen, each and everything are recorded on digital right now. Earlier there were clocks, there were big records physically. Now there is no requirement of such things. As soon as the finished goods is available, again it will go back to another go downs. As soon as the new goods come, right, the record, how much finished goods came to at what time, what is the level of stock after delivering new stock, new batch in go downs. See, now technology has facilitated very easily. Before 20 years, CEO, suppose he has to check what is the level of stock of raw material. He has to visit, he has to ask to storage manager. But now it's not like, now it's just one click, he can check the live record. The live record of, we can say, stock of raw material, stock of finished goods, stock of transition stock, which suppose 100 units were issued just before 5 minutes. So means production of 100 units are right now going on. Everything can be tracked through digital things. That is value chain again, right? Starting from raw material to finished goods and finished goods to the market. You can track everything, and that is value chain. With the help of GPS system and everything, we can track our delivery system as well, where they are right now. I think just recently, our Gujarat buses, state transport buses, are equipped with GPS services. So the concern manager of depot manager, they can check the exact location of bus, where exactly they are, where they stop, why they have taken much time as a stop or halt. Now everything is taken digitally. So government is taking some initiative because government system need to be controlled through digital only, because these guys are very good at malpracticing in physical reports and everything. Right? This is how they are trying to improve their value system in state transport buses. Right? Even same over all the Marwadi buses can be tracked at any point of time through GPS.
So we have made tickets. Now we can get our boarding pass without
Right. So this is what online delivery operations, outbound logistic. Outbound means after finished good is going to market. Right. See, that need to be tracked. Suppose 5 container of Balaji wafers is going to in different states or different locations. You need to track, because these are big containers, consist of lakhs and crores of rupees goods in one container. So you should track outbound delivery. That is known as outbound delivery. Inbound means within the plant. That is outbound. Okay, good. Coordination allows on-time delivery. See, Amazon and Flipkart are continuously tracking delivery. Even you can track your product, starting from the godown of Amazon or godown of Flipkart. As soon as they issue, they send to SMS. Again, they reach to another session, they send SMS. Even at any point of time, you can track your product where it has reached exactly. That is delivery. And Blue Dart, I think Blue Dart, you can always track anytime where my courier has reached right now. If your number and everything, coding and everything. Yeah. So through Blue Dart, you can track anytime, your delivery time and everything. Even I think Amazon and Flipkart, I forgot. I think Flipkart is giving option at what time you want delivery. Yes. So you want delivery in morning or you want delivery in evening? Office time, yes. So such a nice mechanism they have developed. Right? It is all about customer orientation, nothing else. It is just adding extra facility to customers. But for us, it is little bit costlier. Because they are service provider companies. E-commerce is service provider, nothing else. It's not manufacturing. So a service provider company can just give additional value. Fine. And the last point of this,
Sir, you're not audible.
hello? Can you listen me now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So with the help of this source of competitive advantage, because of the difficulty rivals in perceiving them, perceiving means understanding. As I just said, you have bunch of information, but how you are perceiving the information, that makes your business unique. Everything is available on Google related to any law, any theory. But perceiving is something different. How you are interpreting the theory is something different. So this is what we can say. Last point, trade-offs across organizational lines. Fine. So, okay, online students. These students are going to visit Dean sir for their moot court practice. So just wait. I'm going to end my lecture here. We do have another lecture after this, same topic, same subject, right? So we will meet again exactly after 2 o'clock, because these guys are going for moot courts. Okay, everyone, online students.
Okay, sir.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
see you up. Okay, see you after 15 minutes. Bye, everyone. Yeah.